Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today learn and draw capital letters alphabets A to R. So kids, let's learn the names of the color. Pink color, yellow color, light pink color, orange color, red color, purple color, light green color, sky blue color, brown color, green color, and black color. So kids, now you draw A. A for apple. B for ball. C for cat. Kids, now you draw D. D for dog. E for elephant. F for fish. Kids, now you draw G. G for God. H for helicopter. I for ice cream. Kids, now you draw J. J for joker. K for king. L for lion. Kids, now you draw M. M for moon. N for nose. O for orange. Kids, now you draw P. P for parrot. Q for queen. R for rose. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.